10 reasons why you should move to Ireland. Ireland is renowned for its picturesque landscapes, warm hospitality, and rich cultural heritage. These attractive features make it not just a travel destination, but an ideal place to call home. Beyond the physical charm lies a myriad of compelling reasons why relocating to Ireland is an enticing prospect. From vibrant cafes to the melodious tunes of Irish music and low crime rates to abundant sports activities that promote unity and a healthy lifestyle, Ireland offers a unique blend of modern conveniences and traditional charm, appealing attributes that prospective island residents will look up to. This article explores the top 10 reasons why moving to Ireland is a life-changing decision, delving into the notable places and structures that exemplify each point. 10. Great cafes. Ireland's cafe culture is a vibrant tapestry woven into the fabric of cities like Dublin, Galway and Cork, where every street boasts charming and entertaining establishments. Notable among them is the Queen of Tarts in Dublin, a delightful haven offering more than just coffee. It's a culinary experience. Similarly, Coffee Work plus Press in Galway stands as a testament to Ireland's commitment to a cosy atmosphere and a delightful range of pastries and snacks. These cafes transcend mere spaces to enjoy a cup of coffee. They encapsulate Ireland's commitment to conviviality, providing locals and visitors with a warm ambience and a taste of the nation's rich culinary diversity. The allure of these cafes has made many people consider living in Ireland. 9. Irish music. Another reason why you should move to Ireland is its unique music. Music-loving expats can have fun with unique Irish music with its enchanting beats while embarking on a soul-stirring journey into the heart of Irish music at iconic venues such as Whelan's in Dublin or the Crane Bar in Galway. These establishments resonate with the timeless melodies of traditional tunes, fostering an enduring appreciation for Ireland's rich musical heritage. Whelan's, with its intimate setting and acoustics, becomes a sanctuary where musicians craft emotive narratives through their instruments, creating an immersive experience for patrons. Meanwhile, the Crane Bar in Galway stands as a living testament to the vivacity of Irish music, creating an atmosphere that vibrates with the passion and history of Ireland's musical traditions. Moving to Ireland offers you a golden opportunity to feel the positive impact of soul-lifting Irish music. 8. Irish pubs. There are Irish pubs with distinct and appealing attributes where users can experience the beating heart of Irish social life in a welcoming embrace. Examples are the Temple Bar in Dublin and Tig Hoyley in Galway. These establishments go beyond offering a pint of the world-famous Irish stout. They embody the soul of Ireland's conviviality and offer you an opportunity to experience this at close quarters. The Temple Bar, nestled in the heart of Dublin, is a microcosm of the city's vibrancy, offering live music and a lively atmosphere, something to give you a memorable experience. Similarly, Tig Hoyley in Galway stands as a haven for those seeking an authentic pub experience, where traditional Irish music, hearty conversations and the clinking of glasses create an ambience that captures the essence of Ireland's renowned pub culture. 7. Recycling, waste management and power generation options. People who are passionate about a cleaner and healthier environment may consider moving to Ireland. The country empowers its residents to shape their environmental footprint through a myriad of choices as part of its effort to create a safe environment for all and sundry. Innovative recycling programs in cities like Limerick redefine waste management, encouraging responsible practices and a clean society. Limerick, with its community-driven initiatives, transforms waste disposal into a collective effort. Clough Jordan stands as a beacon of sustainable living, exemplifying how choices in waste management can become community endeavours. Beyond waste, choices extend to power sources, with sustainable energy initiatives gaining momentum. Ireland's landscape, dotted with wind farms and solar installations, reflects a nation dedicated to preserving its natural beauty through choices that resonate with an environmental stewardship. 6. Sports. Ireland understands sports' unifying influence and stands as a haven for sports enthusiasts, with iconic stadiums like Croke Park in Dublin and Thomond Park in Limerick embodying the nation's passion for athletic endeavours. Croke Park, steeped in history and tradition, serves as the hallowed ground for Gaelic games, uniting the communities through the spirit of sport. Thomond Park, synonymous with rugby, resonates with the thunderous cheers of passionate fans, creating an electric and memorable atmosphere. These stadiums transcend their roles as mere sporting venues. They become arenas where the collective heartbeat of the nation pulses through every match. Ireland's commitment to sports is more than a pastime, it's a cultural phenomenon that unites people. As a sports lover, consider moving to Ireland to experience the full impact of its unique sports and atmosphere. 5. Low crime rates. Low crime rates is another reason why you should move to Ireland. In the tranquil cities of Waterford and Sligo, residents revel in the peace of Ireland's notably low crime rates. These cities stand as bastions of safety, where the sense of security permeates daily life. Waterford creates an environment where residents can freely navigate its streets without the constant worry of criminal activities. Similarly, Sligo, nestled amidst stunning landscapes, embodies the peaceful coexistence that defines Ireland's urban spaces. A 2019 study by the United Nations revealed that Ireland recorded the 11th lowest homicide rate on the European continent and the 23rd lowest globally. The organisation's global study on homicide put the country's homicide rate at 0.9 per 100,000 people. The low crime statistics contribute significantly to the overall well-being of residents, allowing them to enjoy a quality of life where personal safety is not merely an aspiration, but an inherent aspect of their communities. It also makes it an attractive destination for fun lovers who are considering their relocation options. 4. Postal system. Efficiency and reliability define Ireland's postal system, ensuring seamless communication for its residents. The General Post Office, the GPO, in Dublin operates with an unwavering reliability and symbolises an endurance of Ireland's postal services. The GPO serves as more than a mere mail hub, it stands as a testament to Ireland's commitment to connectivity. Residents across the country benefit from a well-organised postal network that ensures the swift and secure delivery of mails. The GPO, with its rich history dating back to the 18th century, stands tall as a symbol of Ireland's resilience, where the exchange of letters seamlessly connects communities. 3. Nice beaches. Nice beaches adorn Ireland and contribute immensely to its general appeal and reputation as one of the most desired relocation options for many people across the globe. As a resident or visitor, you can explore the stunning coastline of Ireland and bask in the natural splendour of beaches like Inchydoney in Cork and Keem Bay in Mayo. These pristine locations offer tranquility and scenic beauty that redefine the coastal experience. Inchydoney, with its golden sands and rolling waves, becomes a haven for beach enthusiasts seeking a retreat into nature. Keem Bay, nestled on Achill Island, captivates with its turquoise waters and rugged cliffs, creating a picturesque backdrop. Ireland's beaches, often overshadowed by its verdant landscapes, emerge as hidden gems that invite residents to unwind and connect with the soothing rhythm of the ocean. These coastal paradises exemplify the diverse beauty that Ireland offers, adding an unexpected dimension to the country's richness. 2. Great food. A culinary journey awaits you while exploring Ireland, where notable establishments like Chapter 1 in Dublin and Kai in Galway redefine gastronomic excellence. Chapter 1, with its Michelin-starred brilliance, elevates Irish cuisine to new heights, blending traditional flavours with innovative techniques. Meanwhile, Kai in Galway, with its commitment to local and seasonal ingredients, showcases the diversity of Irish food culture. These establishments become more than just places to dine, they are culinary institutions that celebrate the richness of Ireland's produce. The gastronomic landscape reflects a harmonious blend of tradition and innovation, inviting residents to savour a diverse range of flavours that encapsulate the essence of Irish culinary artistry. 1. Great work environment. Experience a work environment conducive to professional growth and innovation in cities like Dublin and Cork, home to major tech companies. The Silicon Docks in Dublin stands as a symbol of Ireland's evolution into a global tech hub, offering exciting opportunities for professionals. The modern skyline of Dublin, dotted with the headquarters of multinational corporations, reflects the dynamic nature of Ireland's workforce. Similarly, Cork, with its burgeoning tech scene, fosters a culture of innovation and collaboration. These cities provide more than just employment, they cultivate a work environment with its burgeoning tech scene fosters a culture of innovation and collaboration. These cities provide more than just employment, they cultivate a work environment where creativity flourishes and individuals contribute to groundbreaking developments. Ireland's commitment to creating thriving workspaces positions it as a destination where professional aspirations align with a high quality of life. Kindly tell us in the comment section which of these 10 reasons why you should move to Ireland may influence your decision to move to this country. We'd appreciate it. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.